Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with yet another electric bike review. I have to tell you, I'm having so much fun doing these. As you can see today, under the shade tree in my own front yard, we have with us KBO. Yes, this company produces the Ranger Cargo Electric Bike. What I like about it is it comes with all kinds of options and accessories. This bike, like we do all of the others, we're going to give 3 grades depending on the fit, form, and function. Fit, how well everything goes together. Is it easy to put together? Form, what does it look like? Is it a nice looking bike? Is it really, really ugly? And function, what is it like to ride and to enjoy? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to unbox this. I'm not looking at any videos. I'm just going to do this like you do it at home. We'll unbox the bike, put it together, and then we're going to begin to have a whole lot of fun. That was perhaps the easiest bike assembly I have ever undertaken. And I gotta tell you, I love this color. Not only is it gorgeous and filled with little sparkles, and I love how they hide the battery inside here. A lot of times you can tell a bike is a little more expensive, a little more stylish if they hide the battery. Sometimes it's just attached right here for the whole world to see. This one, it's hidden. Super easy to put together, and I love, love, love the double kickstand. It keeps the front wheel off the ground so you can put it all together easy, easy, easy. And look what they give you. This little package has all of the little nuts and bolts that you would possibly need, but everything was attached. So I didn't even have to use this. And once again, like other bike manufacturers, they give you this multi-tool that has everything you could ever want inside. Okay, everything. The only thing I needed was a pair of pliers, and that was for this little bolt right here because it was torqued down too tight. I couldn't hold it with my fingers and unscrew the front for the fender and the headlight. Speaking of which, check that out. I like it. I think it's kind of cool. Double headlights. All right, so what do you think I'm going to give this for the fit? I like it. I like the little side rails right here. Okay, you can put all kinds of things on the back here. And I will tell you that KBO sent me a front and back basket, a little cargo basket, and I'm going to put them on later. I'm going to take this for a spin, and I'm going to enjoy it for a while, and then we'll put on the options, and we'll take it for another spin. I still have to connect everything. And by everything I mean there's just 2 connections and they're color coded. So red to red for the headlights. Oh, this was already connected for the LCD. Oh man, this paint is beautiful. Oh, let me take this off. I've never had the pleasure of doing this on a new car. I've never had a new car, but look at that. That is gorgeous. Whoa, the Ranger bike. She is a pretty girl. All right, so what do you get when you purchase a KBO Ranger electric bike? Well, you get one that's gorgeous. I gotta tell you, this orange, like I've been saying, is spectacular. You can also get it in a cool gray, which is a little more manly, but it is still a very nice looking bike. Price-wise, well, the list price is $1,799. Don't spend that because they do offer sales. There's a sale coming up now for Mother's Day, and KBO has even given you, because you're watching me, an exclusive discount code. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you how you can save even more money. Well, what's it like to ride a Ranger bike? I love it. It is a comfortable bike. It's easy to get on, it's easy to step off of, and this little girl will go. She will absolutely fly. The brakes are quiet, the seat is padded, and this little LCD display tells you everything you need to know. Your speed, there's an energy bar that shows you exactly what your range is, if you're fully charged or not, what type of power assist or pedal assist you're in. Remember, that's 1 through 5, and it gives you an odometer as well. And can you hear this? Can you hear it? I love the sound of that electric motor kind of kicking in. It is really nice. I'll tell you what, I've been riding this for a while, and I've gotten several compliments on it. They love the color, they love the way it looks, and some guy who drove for UPS, my UPS delivery guy, actually said, hey, I can't wait to get off work, I'm gonna go ride my own bike, my own electric bike. They're fun. Man, are these things fun. A little more specifics about the bike. 77 pounds is what this weighs. When it comes to you in the box, it's almost 100 pounds. I want to say it's like 98 pounds. I was able to get the bike out of the box myself. You might need some help. It probably is a 2-person job, but it's not too heavy, and it was really, really well packed. You get a 2-year warranty with this bike, and of course you get some free shipping. Ha! We're back from the ride, and look what I've done. Yep, lots of accessories on the old KBO Ranger electric bike. This is your front shelf, okay? You get this when you get the bike. It is easy to attach. You do have to relocate your headlight. Okay, this is the headlight right here. They right here give you a little point to screw the Allen bolt in, and then the headlight sticks out right here. I'm gonna take this off because to me it's just, you know, I don't really need that. It's nice to have if you want to do something to it. Here's what you can put on it. Yep, you get a basket. For $79, you get a basket that attaches right there. Look at that. You can put anything you want in that basket. Flowers, your little puppy dog, if you want to take him for a ride, whatever. Yep, I love it. 79 bucks there. You can get a very large partial shelf right here, a partial tray, 99 bucks. Yeah, and you can put all kinds of stuff back there. You can also leave your wood piece right here across the bottom if you want, and then put this on top. That way things don't fall through, but it's a great thing to have. You also can get a stacker shelf if you wanted to, that will go on top of that, and it will be double decker, or you can get a different basket for your child if you want to take him or her to school. And of course, my favorite feature, the cargo trailer that would attach right back there, and you can just drag whatever you want to work, to school, to play, to whatever. Let's review what we have learned about the KBO Electric Ranger bike. This is a cool bike. The fact that they have included so many accessories is huge in my opinion. Let's give it a final grade. Remember, we're judging on fit, form, and function. Fit, you saw it right here. Everything went together so easily. It was easy to put together. Everything was included. I just needed the 1 pair of pliers to loosen this up ever so lightly right there. You get all the bolts, you get the tools that you need, everything, okay? I also like, if you've noticed right here, it is a double kickstand. Usually when you get a bike, you get the one kickstand, the bike kind of leans over and sometimes it falls. You get a leg on each side of this, which keeps the front wheel off of the ground. That is magnificent. I love the parcel shelf here. I like the basket you can get right here. So fit, how everything goes together, the quality of the welds, the paint, which is gorgeous and thick, A+. Absolutely, we're giving this bike an A+. For form, is it a good looking bike? Well, what do you think? They hide the battery. That is huge in my opinion. This is a little sticker that just came off right here for your battery. We'll keep that and it'll go with the bike. You can lock it up and it is comfortable to ride. So form, A+, absolutely. Easiest grade I've ever given. As far as function, yeah, you see the smile on my face right here. This is a fun bike to ride. We have had friends on this. We have had families on this. My sister loves it. She loves the color. This is her go-to bike. I have 5 electric bikes parked in the garage. This is everyone's go-to bike right now. So as far as function goes, A+. Final grade, A plus, A plus, A plus. It all equals an A plus plus. This bike is amazing. And right now, for Mother's Day, they are offering a sale. Normal price $17.99, but for Mother's Day, you can get one for $15.99. And because I am Monkey Wrench Mike, they've given me a special discount code to kind of pass along to you. So if you use the discount code Monkey Wrench, you're going to save yourself 30 bucks. Yep, limited time. So go to the website, kbobike.com right now. Use the discount code, use the Mother's Day discount as well, and save a ton of money on a bike that you're going to use every single day. And you're going to be loving it as much as I do. All right, folks, have a great day. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.